Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this gold look because I just wanted to use my gold makeup, really. That is the only reason. Oops, and I think I just lost some rhinestone. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this look. I clearly had this inner desire to do an all gold look because I thought I had a lot of gold makeup. But going through my gold makeup, I realized a lot of it was shades of browns and coppers. But I'm still gonna try to make this work, and this is the beginning of whatever this is. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my face. I've got the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer, and that is what I am priming my face with. And yes, I have gold all over my hand because I thought it was a brilliant idea to put hair gel and pigment in my hair and try putting glitter on it. I don't know how great that really was, but we'll find out with the finished look. So let's go ahead and prime. Okay, for eye primer, I am using Marc Jacobs Undercover. There we go. Okay, so I am going to use a little concealer just to hide the redness in my skin. Not a lot. And that is going to be the Private Society Contour Confidential. And it's just concealer with my skin tone. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. See, very little because that's all I needed. Now I'm going to go in with my Becca foundation. This is Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I have cashmere and shell. I'm going to use very little, and I'm going to mix this in with it because this has the nice gold shimmer to it. This is Iconic London Illuminator, but I'm going to go heavy with this so my skin has a nice metallic sheen. I just remembered I have these FX glitter drops. Now, they're not gold, but they do have like a gold shimmer to it. I'm going to mix that into my lovely foundation mix. Okay, so now that I got a nice shimmer on my face, I am going to go with light dusting. I'm going to kind of use this as a translucent powder, but it's not. It's Artist Couture Summer Haze, and it's a very shimmery goldish color. So I have some goldish color eyeliners, and I'm going to use it to give myself some brows. These two are ColourPop. I don't remember the actual colors, but those are the ones I'm going in with now. Okay, so this one does not show up at all, so I'm not using that one. Let's see if this one shows up real quick. Okay, that shows up a little bit. I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to go back in with a Peel Gel Liner right here, because this is kind of a goldish brown. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Midnight Garden palette here. There's a color in here. It looks kind of like a dark coppery gold color, and I'm going to use that on my brows. Okay, I do like that. So we are going to move on to some eyeshadow. Okay, so I am going to use this palette. This is the Cheyenne B Miami palette, and I am going to use a combination of colors. I'm going to start out with this one right here. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this color right here, Heat. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Iconic Beauty Hollywood palette here, and I am going to use this color right here. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Best of Life palette by Violet Voss. It has these two glitters here, this really gold one and the really copper one. I'm going to mix the two and apply that. Now I should probably do eyeliner. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do eyeliner. I'm going to start out with the Appeal again on my eyes. I'm going to do that in the waterline. Okay, for top liner, I have, where is it? This Monastery, and that's what I'm going to use. So that is it for eyeliner. I am going to move on to mascara, and I've got Marc Jacobs. I don't know what it's called, but Marc Jacobs is what I'm using for mascara. Alright, so I have these fun confetti, they're called confetti eyelashes, and they've got the gold in it, so I'm going to put those on. Okay, so I got my lashes on. Now let's add some dimension to the face. I think I'm going to go back into this palette right here and use this color right here because it has like some rose colors that I really would like on my cheeks. Okay, so I think that I'm happy with that. I have this here. This is Tetris by Ipsy. I've already thrown out the eyeshadow because they're not good, but this is the highlight, and this is just a really unique highlight, so I've kept it so far. And I am going to dust my face with that. So I have this Tarte eyeshadow that I'm going to use. It's more of a pigment, I think. It's Chrome Paint Shadow Pot is what it is in Park Avenue Princess, and I'm going to use that all over my face. came out looking more dirty than I wanted, so I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Loose Highlight in Heroine? Yeah, that's what I'm using. Alright, so I've got this Hank and Henry Firefly highlighter, and I'm going to use that now. Okay, I think that part is good. I think I want some jewels. I've got some jewels here, and I'm going to put that on my face now. So I need some lips. I have a lip color here somewhere. Okay. So I have this Rose Pose Lip Whips by Beauty Bakery. And then I have this glitter by ColourPop, and that is what I'm using for my lips. Alright, this is my full face of gold makeup. What do you think? Do you think this was fun? Did you like it? Would you like me to do more fun monochrome looks like this? Let me know. Anyways, that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.